Now we will see how to apply the standard angles while we will solve the problems. Suppose if I say that verify theta is equals to 30 degree is the solution of sine 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta into cos theta. Verify that theta is equals to 30 degree is the solution of this. How we will do it? To do it, we will put theta is equals to 30 degree both the side. First of all, I am taking left hand side. Left hand side at theta is equals to 30 degree. This is sine 2 theta. This becomes sine 2 into 30 degree. This becomes sine 60 degree. This becomes root 3 by 2 from the standard table. Now we will go to calculate the right hand side RHS. Our RHS is 2 sine theta cos theta. So this is 2 sine theta means 30 degree, cos theta again 30 degree, 2 sine 30 half 1 by 2 from table, cos 30 root 3 by 2, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, become root 3 and upon 2. So this root 3 by 2 is the left part, this root 3 by 2 is the left part. So we have applied the standard angles, we have seen how to apply, and we have calculated and verified that left hand side is equals to right hand side. So these are some applications. Now there may be some hidden parts of the table to calculate the values. How? You have to see for the example. Now I will take one more example where we will go for calculations and we will find how to apply the trigonometric table which we have shared with you. If tan A is equals to half, tan B is equals to 1 by 3, using formula tan of A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Find the value of A plus B in degrees. How much is A plus B? First of all, we will use this result for calculating solution. We have tan of A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. So tan of A plus B is equals to tan A. The answer of tan A is what? 1 by 2. Plus tan B, in place of tan B we will write 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So what we will get? Tan of A plus B is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. This gives us 5 by 6. 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 also gives us 5 by 6. 5 by 6 upon 5 by 6 is giving us 1. So answer of tan of A plus B is coming out to be 1, and in trigonometric table the row of tan gives answer 1 only when angle is 45. So in place of 1 we can write tan of 45 degree. If we compare these two, tan A plus B is equals to tan 45, we can conclude, we can draw, we can find, we can say yes, answer of A plus B is equals to 45 degree. So we can use the table of trigonometry in solving the various problems. And now we will discuss with you how to use the table when you are going to calculate some missing value. I am taking one example. Suppose if I write here that find x, we are going to say find x. Find x when if sine 2x is equals to 2 sine 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Suppose we say sine 2x is equals to 2 into sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. Cos 30 what? Root 3 by 2. We have selected the required values from table. 2 and 2 get cancelled. We have obtained sine 2x is equals to root 3 by 2. Now we will go to check in the trigonometric table of the row of the sine what is the answer of root 3 by 2 in degrees, which is very clear. We will find root 3 by 2 in the row that sine 2x is equals to sine of 60 degree, because sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So if we compare now, we will find 2x is equals to 60 degree, or we can say x is equals to 60 upon 2. Hence answer of x is 30 degree. So we will apply our trigonometric table at various places in solving the various questions at many times. Now we will discuss with you that how to use the complementary angles to solve the questions of bit higher level of difficulty. Now we will discuss few more identities of the trigonometry, like few problems where theta may be need to eliminate. Suppose we take an example, that is if x is equals to a sin theta, y is equals to b tan theta, x is equals to a sin theta, y is equals to b tan theta. Prove that a square upon x square minus b square upon y square is equals to 1. So in order to show this result, there is no theta, so this question can be asked in two ways. One, prove this, or we can ask you that if this is the condition, then eliminate theta. That means theta must disappear. So first of all, I take this part. We have x is equals to a sin theta, or we can say that x upon a is equals to sin theta, or we can say a upon x, that is the reciprocal of x upon a is a upon x, is equals to reciprocal of the sine is the cosec theta. So we are getting the answer of a upon x as the cosec theta. Now similarly, if we take the second one is y is equals to b tan theta. If we take b here, we will get y upon b is equals to tan theta, and inverse of this result, that is what? B upon y is equals to reciprocal of tan is the cot theta. So answer of a upon x is the cosec theta, answer of b upon y is what? Cot theta. A upon x cosec theta, b upon y cot theta. If we put these values in the left hand side of this, what we will get? In place of a upon x, we will write cosec theta. So a square upon x square become cosec square theta. Similarly, in place of b square upon y square, we will write cot square theta. But one of the identity we know, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So ultimately what happens, if x is equals to a sin theta, y is equals to b tan theta, then answer of a upon x is coming out to be cosec theta, answer of b upon y is the cot theta, and if we substitute, we find cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that is what? 1. So these are one of the problem to discuss, to tell how we eliminate theta or how we prove one of the result. I am taking one more very important identity of the trigonometry where we will solve some more problems. Now I am taking one more important identity. Prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. This is left hand side. Prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equals to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Here, to prove this, we will take the left hand side. We have the left hand side as tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. There are 2 or 3 ways to solve this identity, to prove this identity. But the most easy and convenient way I am discussing you, that in place of this 1, we know that in the basic trigonometric identities, first one can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta, but we do not think so that it will be applicable here. In place of 1 we can write 1 is equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta. From the second one can be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta, and one also can be replaced by cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Now the most appropriate value required to substitute in the place of 1 in the numerator of the left hand side is sec square theta minus tan square theta. In place of this 1 we will write sec square theta minus tan square theta. So our this portion is reducing as tan theta plus sec theta minus. In place of 1 we will replace what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. We do not change this 1 in the denominator. Now this sec square minus tan square, by using algebraic identity x square minus y square is equals to x minus y into x plus y, can be expanded as sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. So I am not disturbing this part. I am writing this tan theta plus sec theta as it is, and minus this sec square minus tan square is coming as sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta, because x square minus y square is equals to x minus y into x plus y. Now this is denominator tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. If we take sec theta plus tan theta common in the numerator, this is 1, because if any number, any product, any bracket having 1 as the multiplicative identity, so sec theta plus tan theta is common. Sec theta plus tan theta, we left with what? 1 from this and minus sec theta and plus of tan theta here, because sec theta plus tan theta has been taken as common. So this left as 1 and this is minus, sign of this bracket changed, minus of sec theta plus of tan theta, and it is divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. We can observe here 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta, 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta is same. So these two parts has been cancelled. We left with what? Sec theta plus tan theta only. So we can take this part as sec theta plus tan theta. Now in place of sec theta we are free to write 1 upon cos theta, and special formula of the tan theta is what? Sin theta upon cos theta. LCM same. What is this? Cos theta. So we left with what? 1 plus sin theta. This is our required right hand side. So this is the required right hand side matching with our required result. So we can take any identity to prove by using basic 3 trigonometric identities. These are sin square plus cos square is 1, 1 plus tan square is sec square, and 1 plus cot square is cosec square. We can develop, we can use, we can apply to solve any identity by using basic 3 trigonometric identities. And now we will discuss with you few more important type of questions. Now I am taking one of the example where without using trigonometric table we will find the value of the identity, the value of the result. Suppose I take the example like sin 70 degree upon cos 20 degree plus cos 59 degree upon sin 31 degree. Prove that this result is equals to 2. Prove without using trigonometric table. Prove without using trigonometric table that sin 70 degree upon cos 20 degree plus cos 59 degree upon sin 31 degree is equals to 2. We will take left hand side as usual. Sin 70 degree upon cos 20 degree plus cos 59 degree upon sin 31 degree. There is one important trick to solve the problems of complementary angles. We know that what are the complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is what? 90 degree, then we say these are the complementary angles. Here we are finding this is 70 degree, this is 20. So these two angles are the pair of complementary angles. Now sin 70 and cos 20, one of the value we will change. Any of the value can be changed where the sum of the angles is 90. Suppose in place of sin 70, I write sin 90 minus 20 because 70 degree is still 90 minus 20 is what? 70. So in place of sin 90, what I have replaced? 90 degree minus 20 degree and cos 20 degree as it is. We will change one of the complementary angle. Now for cos 59 upon sin 31, again I will change only one. I can change either of numerator or of denominator. Now this become cos of 59 degree upon sin of, in place of 31 degree, we can write 90 minus 59 degree. So sin 90 minus theta is known as cos theta, and theta is value which is going to be subtract from 90. Complementary angles, relation sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is the sec theta. So by using the first sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so answer of sin 70 converted to first sin 90 minus 20, then sin 90 minus theta is applied by complementary relation. We have obtained the value of sin 70 as cos 20 and denominator is already cos 20 degree plus numerator is cos 59 degree upon sin 90 minus 59. Sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta, that is cos 59. Cos 20 upon cos 20, 1. Cos 59 upon cos 59, 1. 1 plus 1, what become? 2, which is our required right hand side. So we can use the complementary angles. Now I am taking one very important tricky example of the complementary angles. What is this? again the same question, same type of problem without using the trigonometric table. Without using trigonometric table, prove that cos of 1 degree into cos of 2 degree into cos of 3 degree into dot 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 into cos of 179 degree is equals to 0. Product of all angles from 1 to 179 degree needs to be proved as 0. Here one very important thing, one very important trick we need to remember. What is that? Cos 1 degree and cos 179 degree, cos 2 and this and this and this. So, but there will be one value cos 90 in the entire expanding form of cos 1 to cos 179. Cos 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, cos 45 degree, cos 46 degree, cos 89 degree, cos 90 degree, cos 91 degree. So, if we write in more expanded form, then what we will do? Cos of 1 degree, cos of 2 degree, dot dot dot, cos of 89 degree, cos of 90 degree into cos of 179 degree. We know that the answer of cos 90, we know that cos of 90 degrees result is 0 from that table which we have shared with you, standard angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. The trick of the table and how to remember and how to use have been already told you in detail. So, cos 90 degree is 0 and principle of multiplication of 0 is if 0 is multiplied to as long as numbers, answer comes out to be 0. So, this result cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree into dot 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 into 0 into dot 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 into cos 179 degree. So, answer of cos 90 is 0. When this 0 will come in the product of all cos from 1 to 179 degree, this product will become 0, which we need to show, which we need to find. So, we may need using table, we may apply the complementary angles, we can use certain number of relations. Now, I will explain you few different type of examples where theta is required to calculate under the given condition of the relation. Suppose I take an example, it is like if sin 3 theta is equals to cos of theta minus 6 and this 6 is in degree, theta in degree, this is also entire 3 theta also in degree. Now to show, to perform, to evaluate the value of theta, what we will do? We will take left hand side is given equal to right hand side. This is the given. What is given? Sin 3 theta is equals to cos of theta minus 6. Using the complementary relation, in place of sin 3 theta, we can write cos of 90 minus 3 theta, because sin 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So, this cos 90 minus 3 theta is equals to sin 3 theta. Right hand side is already in the cos, that is theta minus 6. So, if we compare, this is also cos, this is also cos. Cos something is equals to cos something means their angles has to be equal. So, this implies 90 minus 3 theta is equals to theta minus 6. If we transfer this minus 3 theta here, we will obtain theta plus 3 theta and minus 6 to this side, we will get 90 plus 6. So, 4 theta is equals to 96, or you mean by theta is equals to 24 degree. Hence, we may be required to calculate, find the value of theta under the given relation where the complementary angles or something else may be required to apply. Now, I am taking one more example where standard table and complementary relations are required to make a good combination. So, that is the example like this. sine square 5 plus sine square 10 plus sine square 15. It's like this. Prove that sine square 5 degree plus sine square 10 degree plus sine square 15 degree plus dot 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 plus sine square 85 degree plus sine square 90 degree is equals to 9.5. Suppose we want to show this result sine square 5 degree, sine square 10 degree, sine square 15 degree plus dot 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 plus sine square 85 degree plus sine square 90 degree. This result has to be equal to 9.5. That's it. Now to show this result, we will first go for the complementary combinations. What are the complementary combinations? The 5 degree will be combined with 85 degree, 10 degree with combined 80 degree, 15 degree with 75 degree, meaning by we will club all those trigonometric values whose sum is 90 degree. So first of all, the first pair will be sine square 5 degree plus sine square 85 degree. I have taken first and this sine square 85, one of the pair. Similarly, we will go to club sine square 10 plus sine square 80 plus dot dot dot. Similarly, all combinations will be made and only what will left? One of the values sine square 45 degree and another the last value sine square 90 degree. Now we will see sine square 5 plus sine square 85, sine square 10 plus sine square 80, sine square 15 plus sine square 75, sine square 20 plus sine square 70, sine square 25 plus sine square 65, sine square 30 plus sine square 30 plus sine square 60, and all combinations. When we will see this result, similarly this result, similarly few more combinations which we are not showing here are possible. Which are the combinations whose sum is 90? So first of all, I would like to show you what is this result. Sine square 5 plus sine square 85. I can change one of the results, either sine square 5 or sine square 85. If I change 85, I will say sine square 5 plus sine square. In place of 85, we can write 90 minus 5. Saying 85 or 90 minus 5 having the same meaning. This becomes sine square 5, sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. So this becomes cos square 5. So sine square 5 plus cos square 5, using the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta 1, this part is coming out to be equal to 1. So how many combinations of complementary angles are possible here? 8. One sine square 5 and 85, another 10 and 80, next is 15 and 75, next is 20 and 70, next is 25 and 65, next is 30 and 60, then 35 along with 55, and out of all these 8 combinations will give us the result every time 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this result is 1. Similarly, second is 1, third is 1, fourth is 1, fifth is 1, sixth is 1, seventh is 1, eighth is 1. And this answer sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Its square is 1 by 2. And the last answer sine 90 is 1. Its square is also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a half. So this we can say by using the trigonometric table as well as our required complementary combinations, we can prove these results also. So all questions have been covered, maybe of identities, maybe of complementary relations, maybe of trigonometric ratios, and for improving your trigonometric topic, you have to practice further more and more. And now we will discuss with you the application of trigonometry, which is the next chapter. And to get mastery on this topic of identities, complementary relations and trigonometric ratios, you have to practice a lot. again, and that will give you a lot of confidence and which will give you strengthen in the topic trigonometry.